How to use Airbnb Instant Book Filter. First of all, open the app, head over to the search bar and type in the destination. Hit search. Now tap the date you want to visit, tap on next, search. Now as you can see all the locations, hotels available. Now in order to use Instant Book, tap on the filter section. Now scroll down a bit and under booking option here you'll find Instant Book. Now make sure to tap on that. Now hit search. Now you'll find all the places that are available to book instantly and you can easily select on any one of them and add to booking. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.